Welcome to San Antonio, Texas, a city where history meets modern charm and vibrant culture blend seamlessly. Join us as we explore iconic landmarks and uncover hidden gems in the heart of the Lone Star State. From the historic Alamo to the scenic Riverwalk, let's dive into the rich heritage and lively spirit that make San Antonio a must-visit destination. Get ready for a forgettable journey. We got to the grotto. Wow! It's cute, interesting in here, the entrance, but the smell is not that great. Let's go see the grotto. It's an interesting formation, but the look of here, everybody's skiing and pooping, so the smell is disgusting. It looks like from here is the Riverwalk. The Riverwalk is very long, it's like 15 miles, but only like 2 miles is nice. So let's go on the other side of the grotto. See that? So we park at the Pole District right now. This is our pretty Texas car, and we're gonna go visit this district. I don't know if that's the brewery, but it's very impressive. It's very big, the old brewery. So we go visit, we see. We're not really hungry, but if we find something to eat or drink, that's what we're gonna do. So let's visit the Pole District. Everybody recommend me to come visit this district. I guess here it's Saturday, the Pole Market, Farmers Market, which today is Thursday, so no Farmers Market for us. Let's go visit the district. This brewery's got a very impressive building. It's very big and very pretty. I don't know what style is that or brewery, but it's very pretty. It's inside the Pole District. San Antonio Brewing Castle. Summer vibes, and next to the biggest fan, and was a biggest fan, cute car by the restaurant is very clean. Very clean in this place. It smells kind of nice, especially after you pass the grotto. And a lot of restaurants, lunch, happy hours, dinner. I like this district. It's very cool district. Very nice. See these tables here? I don't know what restaurants are part of. They're very clean, but they're closed. There's nobody here. Maybe it's only for the dinner. We'll keep walking on the district, and we like it. They even have a map with the hotel. They have a Hotel Emma here, and they have the food and drinks places. Very cool. Amphitheater park. Lots of very, very cool. They tell you everything what is in here, and we'll keep exploring this area. Before we're going to the next place on our list, it's a very cool place, and it's a surprise until we get there. My mom wants to go shopping, so in the district they have shopping place. So let's go see what we can find here. prices are district prices. This hat is $48, so not that cheap, but they have cute stuff in here. Let's see what my mom's gonna find. Texas mugs and everything. It's so cool. Look at this hat. It's so hard. And it's $48 also. $50 for a mug. Yeah, I'm gonna do just some window shopping here because the prices are not that great. $45. A dozen is $29.50. A lot of donuts. So many calories. I can feel it. We got only few. So this is the Indigo Hotel. That's the reception. That's the entrance. Across the street is the parking lot. They have an ATM. They have a bar. My mom is waiting for a picture here, so I have to take a picture. Behind her is the pool outside. So
head southwest on North Riverwalk.
So this one is the swimming pool. I'm not gonna go in. I just wanna go here. It's open until 10 o'clock. I'm probably not gonna go. I like more when they have a jacuzzi too, so my mom can come with me. So we're gonna go on the riverwalk to go to take a boat. It's a police boat on the riverwalk. Look at this. That's a police boat. My mom told him, "Can you take us?" He said, "No, sorry." So cool on the riverwalk, especially for the sunset. And here they have shows and they have dances and people they stay here for the concert and they look on the other side of the river. So here you sit down and here you are watching what they have. Right now probably you can hear me because of the music. They have this restaurant. We are still going to get a boat. It's very hot. Still at 8:06. Let's go see what we're gonna learn about San Antonio.
Cute little stage on the right side. You will see as the stage is competition with Miss Congeniality. And this is the only theater in the entire United States that has the seating and the stage separated by a natural body of water. So here in front of you is the Briscoe Western Art Museum. The Briscoe took up their doors back in 2000. I was blessed to have 3 of these beautiful bridges right here on the Riverwalk. And it is fitting that we have a rose bridge right here because it does sit right next to Marriage Island on the right side. It is made completely of the roots of the ball cypress tree. It's naturally shaped and occurring. They call it Marriage Island. So this section of the river would have been the busiest part of the river in the 1800s. Whether they were bathing, washing clothes and children, watering the horses, whatever they were doing, they did right here on this section of the river. For 300,000 after they paid $3 million for it. Suffice it to say that gargoyles and blue business. Father-son architect team that designed it wanted it to look like a ship sitting right here on the river. If you look hard enough, you may even hear its horn honk in the distance. It closes up like the tailbed of a pickup truck. You can see scrape marks here on the. So we are in man-made territory now. This is the flood channel that is the deepest part of the river. Tucked down there in the back where you see the lights is floodgate 5. So when it does start to rise, they open floodgate 5 as they have the other 2 floodgates closed off, all the water rushes through the flood channel to then flood the river. So the last catastrophic flood we had was back in 1921, which was before the floodgates were installed. I will talk to you guys a little more about that here in a minute. But I do want to point another historic building within our fire protection state is tucked in over here on the left side. A little hard to see, San Antonio Cathedral is tucked back in there between two small towers. The cathedral is built in 1731. Now, on December 7th of 1835, we started a battle that helped turn the tides to the war and help Texas gain their independence. Unfortunately, the Mexican army always had a sniper over this tree left as natural. And this is floodgate 3 here in front of you. This is the beginning of that bend in the river. Fortunately for us, they're not testing it. Over here on the right, you see the tiki torch and the oldest one on the Riverwalk. That's going to be over here on the right side. The Esquire Tavern over here on the right is opened up just minutes after Prohibition was repealed. They fully stopped bar. Keep in mind that you're on the same tour you guys are on. It's just a little different order, different location. The Aztec Theater opened up in 1929. Those are live shows, concerts, comic shows, yes. You can still see the face of the Aztec god if you're on the third floor last night. It was just a step. The local started over here. We're trying to roll something. Not a purpose, just Selena herself, future husband Chris Perez, or Martha Lopez did not get engaged on this bridge. It's just everywhere. Three brothers got together and started the St. Mary's.
I think as a school.
Continued to grow and thrive, turned into St. Mary's University, which is still prospering to this day. Just got a little too big for the river, so they sold the building to let the graduates from their law school. He remodeled it. He is an optical illusion. Way up high on the left side. Does appear to be a freestanding wall. But I promise that's not going to fall on you. Medical technology and research until they close their doors in 2019. They were the very first fully functional, fully air-conditioned hospital in the entire United States. Right now, the other side will be right there. So if you were here in the late 1800s, early 1900s, you were standing over here, you remember. Most important thing that I'm going to talk to you guys about right now on the river, the father of the Riverwalk, he was just 27 floodgates were installed. That's why they got that. Busted
Riverwalk.
As people realized it was safe, they started joining Mr. Heckman on the river. And we needed a hotel built rather quickly, and all the architects that we spoke to said, we just don't have time. Except for one gentleman, a rather cocky young gentleman named H.P. Zachary. H.P. Zachary designed the door up there. Everything on the fourth floor down was built right there on site. But at the exact same time, they were building 500 rooms from the 5th floor to the 20th floor. Those rooms were built assembly line construction, one by one, 7 miles away. Some people say that she represents that we're one family that lives under one night sky. And yet some people say she's just looking for the next Cowboy Super Bowl.
His message that he wanted to convey to us is after thousands of years.
I remember we went to San Antonio and
But they do clean it out, dry it out, so it's right here. As you're waiting, your car keys, your kids, your cell phones.
So we are down from the boat and it was a great experience. For my mom was the first time, for me was the second time. And I do recommend it. Was $14.50 per person to take that boat. And it was worth it. You learn so much of their history. And it's very pretty beautiful ride around all the stores and shops and restaurants and everything, and the little ducks, like you see them now, even now on the water. So now, because we have a hotel on the Riverwalk, we're gonna walk to the hotel. So our day is gonna end over here on this beautiful Riverwalk. Like I said, I really recommend it. I don't know if you can see me so dark in here.
Well, no, they had to spend our time.
So I'm gonna tell you good night from the Riverwalk.